Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the drug chloramphenicol. This chloramphenicol mainly has a nitrobenzene moiety. So if you see the mechanism of action of chloramphenicol, now chloramphenicol will attach to the 50S ribosome near the A site. This chloramphenicol will attach to 50S ribosome near the A site and it will prevent the peptide bond formation, and this will also inhibit the bacterial protein synthesis. Thus, this chloramphenicol can be used as bacteriostatic drug. It can be used as bacteriostatic drug, but this chloramphenicol is only bactericidal for Haemophilus influenza. For rest of all of the drugs, this for rest all of the organisms, this chloramphenicol is bacteriostatic. Pharmacokinetics. Chloramphenicol has oral absorption, crosses the placenta, secreted in milk, penetrates the blood-brain barrier, and it has glucuronide conjugation in liver. It causes glucuronide conjugation in liver and it is excreted and changed in urine. So this drug also inhibits hepatic cytochrome P450 enzyme. So if you see the side effects of this chloramphenicol, before that we will see uses. Uses are: chloramphenicol is used as second line for enteric fever, Haemophilus influenza, and for rickettsial infections. We use this chloramphenicol as second line. Then if we see the side effects, chloramphenicol can cause bone marrow suppression. So because it causes bone marrow suppression, it causes both non-dose related idiosyncratic reaction can occur due to chloramphenicol, which is irreversible reactions, and these include aplastic anemia, agranulocytosis can occur, and even thrombocytopenia can occur due to chloramphenicol. Then because of bone marrow suppression, there can be dose and duration of therapy related myelosuppression can occur. This dose and duration of therapy related myelosuppression will cause inhibition of mitochondrial enzyme synthesis in erythropoietic cells. So both these are main side effects of chloramphenicol. Then if you see in neonates, especially in premature neonates, this causes deficiency of glucuronil transferase enzyme. It causes deficiency of glucuronil transferase enzyme and thus causes degradation and toxicity of drug, and it also increases the plasma concentration of chloramphenicol. This also causes nausea, vomiting, abdominal distension, diarrhea, refusal to suck. It causes cyanosis, irritability, circulatory collapse, and here the skin also appears grey. Because with this chloramphenicol the skin appears grey, so we call this syndrome as grey baby syndrome. So this is chloramphenicol is also associated with oral and vaginal candidiasis. Then if you see, this also has hypersensitivity reaction, where you see that this hypersensitivity reaction is associated with rash, fever, atrophic glossitis, angioedema. It can cause liver and kidney damage. This chloramphenicol is actually an enzyme inhibitor. Chloramphenicol is an enzyme inhibitor and thus it increases the half-life of certain drugs. So if you see, this chloramphenicol is an enzyme inhibitor, so it increases the half-life of warfarin, phenytoin and protease inhibitors. So if we see the resistance, chloramphenicol resistance is, it causes resistance to chloramphenicol resistant salmonella typhi. So this chloramphenicol resistant salmonella typhi occurs by R plasmid encoding for acetyl transferase. This resistance is decreases permeability into the resistant cells. This also decreases the affinity of ribosome. So these are the important points about chloramphenicol. Thank you for watching.